Today I'm going to practice how to checkmate with knight and bishop again. And well, let's see how quick can I do this. And well, today I played against the computer because I think this is a very important to do, especially in endgames, to practice endgames, to learn about endgames, or sometimes I play position. I'm unsure about how to continue, and I just play it against the computer and see how it goes. So today I play this endgame here, and yeah, let's see how quick can I do this. And I think we start with knight e4 here first. Check. And the king has to go into a dark square corner. This is the idea, basically, to make it as long as possible, because if you pass 50 moves, um, it'll be a draw. So that's the only idea for black here, to make it as long as possible. Okay, and I think I'm gonna keep hunting the black king. Yeah, let's play a little bit more. Okay, now I can either bring the king from h8 to a8, or I can bring the king from h8 to h1. This really doesn't matter. And I think I'm gonna do h8 to h1, or maybe let's see. No, this doesn't. No, let's actually do the other side. Goes into the corner. All right, I think I made a mistake here. No, maybe not. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, and this move before that probably cost me some valuable time, but I think it's okay. Let's see. Mm, this thing is always tricky. There it goes there. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of ways to checkmate. Of course, there's a ideal path, um, but there are several other options that are um, below 50 moves and are not the ideal path. So it's just the way how knight and bishop kind of corner the black king in, and well, knight, bishop, and king. We need all three pieces to do this. Okay, king c7. Yeah, yeah, that's like a waiting move because the king has to go to b8, and I can just checkmate like this. Alrighty, that was probably wasn't the best way to do this, but I think it's more important to understand what you're doing instead of just memorizing um, a certain path or yeah, just moves. As I said, it's more important to understand it, and there are several ways to do this. Of course, there's that ideal path, but you can do it in a lot of ways, and this one was one of them. So I challenge you, and let me know in the comments how quick you can do it.